We're in Clovis, California. We're taking a look at another damaged water line. This is 3/4 hot and cold running over to the tub, which I'm standing in right now. And cold line, kind of hard to see, but I'm going to see if I can peek my camera up in there. And around the back side, you can see that's chewed completely through. So the biggest thing is getting your rodent problem under control. Number 2, repairing damaged water lines. And then number 3, of course, getting ceilings and walls buttoned back up. Anyways, it's chewed right there. We can't get a coupling on here because it's too close to the plate. And so what we're going to do is we're going to cut a hole right here in the wall so we can hold onto that pipe to get it repaired, slide a new piece through, and we'll take another video when we're done. So still here in Clovis, California, and this is the 4th pipe that we've taken out. And of course, same thing, nod through. So live, active rodent or rodents in the attic. And we've urged the homeowner and the tenant to get that taken care of as quickly as possible. That's outside of our scope of work. We checked around up there for lines connecting to this, and we didn't feel anything, but you could see the water all the way on the outside wall, saturated. The whole joint line of the ceiling right there is coming down apart, so that'll be a repair. Anyways, that's the tubing. All of this is from the other day, 3/4 half-inch repair. This is 3/4 above the master bath entry, and then 1/2 inch up in the attic access, 1/2 inch over the laundry, and this 3/4 over the master bath tub. And of course up here, here's the repair. And like I say, the pipe was damaged right down here, and so you can't work with it when it's that low. To get one of these fittings on there, you can't push on it because you've got no way to hold on to it and keep it from pushing through the framing here. So we cut the wall, coupling here, brand new piece of pipe through, coupling up there, and we're gonna turn the water back on. And like I say, we're doing the work and repairing it, but we sort of feel like we're chasing a mouse around the house. Whatever's up there seems like they're finding a new spot. So anyways, that's our video documentation. Outside of that, this installation is done. Still in Clovis, California. Now we're buttoned up and ready to go, and turn the water on. We could hear water running in the attic. And so this is the master bedroom. So that's the master bedroom ceiling right there. I'll give you a static picture of that as well. And up in here, you can see chewed through, just like the rest of them, right there. So what we're going to do, we've already done a repair on this line further back, about 4 feet away. So we're going to pull the coupling, put it over here, run a new piece over to here. And then, like I say, it'd be a good idea to get someone out here for the rodents. Anyways, we'll take another video when we're done. So last video, and then we're gonna go. You have an ongoing problem, and it seems like we hear live, active rodents in the attic area. So you need to get some traps set like pronto, or we're just gonna keep bleeding money here on this project. So that's the last one we took out. It's actually a part of that blue pipe sitting on the ground. We just took the whole piece out. It goes over. We'd already done a previous repair. We documented that on the first video. Which will be on a separate receipt, and that was the one that was right here in the hallway, right there. And so the second one, it was leaking over here, and we documented this already, but I'm going to show you the repair. It was right here, and let me grab my flashlight from up there. So that guy is right there. That's where I repaired it. From there to there with blue PEX, which is what we had on the truck. And of course we had another leak over here. So what we did is we just moved the coupling over. There was one coupling in about here in the ceiling, one over there. So we took it out, moved it down there, got it tied back in, and that's the piece of pipe that we showed you, 3/4 right up in here. So it was spraying against the ceiling. It's pretty wet up there. You can see the sheetrock right there, wet. On top here, in here, wet. And then of course there it was spraying against the ceiling. And so it's tied back in, water's on, but like I say, you need to get the rodents taken care of. There's nothing else we could do. I don't even think it's even smart to continue. If you can't get someone out here to begin remediating this, you might want to shut the house down and invite them to stay in a hotel for a few days while you get the whole system, checked out, and make sure that all the rodents are dead and everything's sealed up and they're not able to access the attic anymore. So anyways, but that's not our scope of work. Outside of that, this installation is done.